Ububele bethu. Nazo ububele bethu. Iba nobubele.
I'm still not convinced.
Belandwa ubele eTurkey. Belandwa khona.
I know. Alright, Bruce, this is Lelo, aka Wolfie, and we're here at Team Space's birthday celebration. Who am I here with?
Hi, this is your boy Makosa, aka Maximum. Intwana yasefuthi intwana yasekhasi. Ebathi ncinci nxa uzothatha ikiss.
Okay.
Hey, angilona MC. Kodwa ngiyangazi ngubani. Nazo ke. Solpenduka.
Solpenduka.
Ubeka ne-MCs uye la intro.
So I have a bone to pick with this one. Ne?
Oh yeah?
You know what he said?
What did he say?
He said we were at Cosmopolitan and he was performing or whatever, and I was next to him, and he was like, "Vele Ice Cube," saying, "Mina ngi Ice Cube," and exactly that's not good, ne?
Yeah, that's not good, man. Makosa funda ukuba nobubele.
When I say
Uyakana bubele. Akana bubele. Akana bubele.
when I say bele, the Ice Cube.
Yes, Ice Cube.
Wonke umuntu une-choice yakhe.
Yes.
Ngenzeka uSolpend ukuthanda ibele. Mina love the small one, dog.
Yes. And I'm Ice Cube, you wafaka when you see cup. Yeah, when you see cup. So that's why Ice Cube see cup. Ububele bethu. Nazo ububele bethu. Iba nobubele.
I'm still not convinced.
Belandwa ubele eTurkey. Belandwa khona.
I know.
I was just messing around. You know Mark.
You know
He's
what?
a marksman.
Yeah, the only thing that I would say, I appreciate everyone. That's why mangithi kuneyidudla, kuneyilenda.
Yes.
Wonke umuntu une-choice ukuthi uthanda i-size. So that's why I'm saying kunebele bese kuba ne-Ice Cube. That's why I was pointing at you with Ice Cube because of my love.
Okay, so moral of the story, ibele. It doesn't matter which one.
Ibala ibele. Ibala lona ibele.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. I'm
Okay,
happy.
mina beki extra la kule interview. Ilabantu ku generations bokumele abe ngilana yabo. Ngize ngathi ngiyaphuza, ngiyaxoxa nomuntu yabo. Angibheka i-camera. Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Shout out to Nice Entertainment. Let's go.
Yeah, shout out guys. This is Makosa. You know the story. We are here to vibe with our men. Shangane Lagithi, Tsonga Lagithi, Team Express. My guy, all the best. Birthday celebration angazi ukuthi ona 50 or zona nga. Umfishane mara mfana kithi. All the best. This is Makosa. Uzolazi kanjani ungabambanga ini?
Ibele, ibele, ibele.